Unleash your inner filmmaker and edit stunning videos right from your laptop with the incredible power of CapCut. Today, we're diving into how to harness CapCut's full potential on your laptop, bringing a new level of flexibility and convenience to your creative workflow. Get ready to edit anywhere inspiration strikes. First things first, let's get CapCut installed on your laptop. Head over to the official CapCut website and download the desktop version. It's a straightforward process, and you'll be ready to start creating in no time. Once CapCut is open, you'll be greeted with its intuitive interface to begin your masterpiece. Click on Create Project. This opens up your main editing window, ready for your visuals. Now, let's get your footage into the project. Simply drag and drop your video clips, images, and audio files directly into CapCut's media library. You can also use the import button to select files from your computer. Your timeline is where the magic happens. Drag your imported clips onto the timeline to start arranging them. You can easily trim the start and end points of each clip with a simple click and drag. Need to remove unwanted sections? Select a clip on the timeline and use the split tool to divide it. Then, you can easily delete any unwanted segments. Want to add titles or captions? Navigate to the Text tab and choose from a variety of styles. Click on the style you like, and it will appear on your video. You can then customize the text, font, color, and duration directly on the timeline. Enhance your video with sound. Head over to the Audio tab and select from their extensive music library, or import your own sound effects and music. Drag your chosen audio onto the audio track below your video clips. Ready to add some flair? Explore the Effects and Filters tabs to add visual style to your footage. Experiment with color grading, transitions, and animated elements to make your videos truly stand out. Once you're happy with your creation, it's time to export. Click on the Export button. Choose your desired resolution and frame rate, and give your video a file name. Then, hit that Export button and share your amazing work with the world.